Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how you can deploy Appy Pie Livechat widget on your Weebly website. Log into your Weebly account, choose the website where you would like to add the widget, and then click on the Edit Site button. You will be redirected to the website editor section. Now click on Settings in the top menu. Here you will see your website's general settings. Next, click on the SEO option on the side menu and find the footer code area. In the footer code area of this section, you can paste the widget code to deploy Appy Pie's Livechat widget. Now let's see how it's done. Log into your Appy Pie Livechat account. Go to Setup section under Settings and copy the widget code from here. Once you copy the code, then go back to the Weebly website editor tab and paste the widget code in the footer box of the SEO page. Once done, click on Save and you will see the button will change to Updated. Now click on the Publish button here to publish your site. Once your website has been published, click on your website's link to check the Livechat widget. Once your site reloads, you will see the Livechat widget in the lower right hand corner of your website page. Now click on the widget icon here to open the Livechat widget. This is how you can deploy the Livechat widget on your Weebly website. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.